Water. Water is one of the most reflective elements in the universe. And here on Earth, which is a water planet, we have so many opportunities to connect with ourselves through the reflective nature of water. We can hear and see and understand what is inside of our hearts, our minds, our subconscious, on such a great level by watching the reflection within the waters and what we see shining back at us, what we see speaking to us through the reflection. Is the reflection calm? Or is the reflection turbulent? Do you see in the reflection beauty, the beauty of nature speaking to you? Or do you see something else? Worry, concern, lack. I encourage you to speak to nature through the water. Let her come to you and show you the great abundance that flows everlasting through the mighty drops of water that fill the ponds, fill the lakes, the rivers, and the ocean. See the beauty that is love within you. For if you are holding love for yourself and for nature, you will see that in the waters speaking back to you. If you are angry or aggressive or troubled in any way, the water will speak this back to you as well. Choose harmony. I am the harmonious presence. I am the loving presence. I see nature and I send her love. As you do this, she will speak back to you in kind. If you are angry at her, she will step away. She won't run away, but she will step away and close down some of her communication to you. It is time for us to pick harmony. It is time for us to be harmony and to become that with nature herself. I am the harmonious presence. I am the loving presence. I am the joy-filled presence. Be this on this day that is Christmas and every other day henceforth. It is a choice, and the waters, the beautiful waters, will reflect to you how you are doing. Om Shanti, Namaste.